Watch it, watch it, watch it. Got him. Yeah, I've got the one on the right. Got you, mate. I'm teaching you tack first. Hit. Good shot. I've got one. There's two of them. Yeah, watch it. There. There's one there.
Good shot. Good lad.
Go on, I've got two of them. Get them to push out on that other side. There's one guy, yeah, that's it. He's
yes, you can charge him.
If they get out there.
Yeah, there's still a guy to the left, can't
Yeah, he's dead.
Sit front left. Teammate. Behind you.
No, he's
Red, you got guys behind. Fuck's sake.
Red! Other side! Hit! Good shot! Hit!
Don't remember 2 shots forward, 2 shots forward. I think that's friendly's coming in that way. Hit.
Push it. Nice call, mate. Got one there.
Hit help.
Yeah, there's definitely guys there. Got you, mate.
Well play. Grenade would be nice right now.
Yeah, it would.
Hey, good shot. Dead man.
Nate, I think that was a ricochet. Hit the wood first. You sure?
Right through the door. Got you, mate. I shot you in the chest room, mate.
Yeah, you've been hit.
Yeah.
He had his foot fucking sticking out as well.
Yeah, I've had that. Yep. Fucking hell. Call your shots, mate. In that tunnel.
They're taking it, they're taking it. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it.
Dave, he's one in that tunnel. Mate, he's in there, he's in that little concrete thing. There, look. Got you, mate! I was going to say.
There was 3 of them, there's another one in there. There's another one in there. Again?
I can only see his foot.
Luke, in that, straight in that concrete bit there. Sorry mate, they're just right in this fucking thing.
Mate, not honestly, mate, I think we do as well. Alright, yeah? Good. That's all I see. Dead man! Right here.
Yeah, this one at the back. I've got the one. I think I've got the one out the back.
Yeah, we're dead man.
Yeah, that hit. Yeah, I think I hit the one at the back as well.
Dead man.
Yeah, that, yeah.
Yeah.
I've got one tucked, move your head, Stu. There's one there. Look. Yeah, you got him.
Yeah, you got it.
Got you, mate. Hey, good shot. Good man, good man. Where did that come from? Got you, mate. I got you, mate. I shot you in the chest rig, mate. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That was definitely a fucking chest shot.
Yeah.
He had his foot fucking sticking out as well.
Oh, come on, mate. I'll fucking hit you and all. Hey, good shot.
Right, there's a teammate down here by this thing.
Well, behind this wall?
Yeah, it's teammate.
Watch it. Oh, that was a hit. Come on. Yeah, got him, got him. Right in the nuts and all. Oh shit, I'm out. Right front, right front. Yeah! Got him. Reloading.